What up, y'all? It's your boy Box Truck Ant, and we back with another one. As you can see, today's video is going to be on insurance. How to save thousands of dollars on commercial insurance. How to save thousands of dollars on commercial insurance. So I'm going to get right to it, y'all. Alright, so the first way you save a few $1,000s when getting insurance is by not rushing. Do not go getting commercial insurance without a DOT-MC. And then when you get your DOT-MC, you wait a week before that 21st business day. A week before your MC active date. Your MC authority active date. How do you find out your MC authority active date? You find that out by going on the FMCSA website, clicking live chat, and then talking to a representative. You ask the representative when your authority goes active, and they will tell you, and you get your insurance a week before your active date. So that's the first way you save money, by not rushing and paying a month of insurance for no reason. So that's the first way you save. Now the second way you save is when you go to get your insurance a week before the active date. You get just $750K auto liability. That is it. Nothing else. That is all you need for your insurance. I mean, for your MC to go active. I repeat, all you do is get $750K auto liability. And that is all you need for your MC to go active. Now, when you go active, that is when you when you update your coverages to 100K cargo, $1 million general liability, $1 million auto liability, and $2 million general aggregate. And that's it. Don't update them coverages until you're actually about to operate your business. That day you know you're about to operate your business, before you hop in that truck, call and update your coverage. And that's about it. And the reason why you just do $750K auto liability, because it saves you a few $1,000s versus paying the price that you would pay having all of your coverages. So I repeat, all you need is that $750K auto liability to go active, and that's how you save a couple $1,000s on commercial insurance. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna run it back real quick. Excuse me. All you do is be patient. Do not get insurance right away. You get your insurance a week before your MC active date. How do you check your MC active date? You go on the FMCSA website, you go to live chat, you ask the agent, when does my MC go active? Or when is my MC active date? Then boom. Once you know that, your active date, you get the insurance a week before that. So your authority goes active. It won't go active without the insurance. You do that a week before. And then when you And then when you get the insurance, you just get $750K liability to save a few $1,000s on the down payment. And then you update your coverage once you're about to get out on that road. And that's about it. I use Progressive. Most people I know use Progressive. Progressive can be a little bit expensive. Yeah, y'all, that's about it. I'm about to get up out of here. I just gave y'all the game on how to save a couple $1,000s on commercial insurance. And all right, y'all, you already know, believe and achieve, and God bless. I'm out of here, y'all. What up, y'all? You know I gotta give you the full insurance game. I was thinking, I'm like, oh crap, I left some things out. So how to get commercial insurance. All right, y'all. So if you don't have a truck, that means you have to get a mock VIN. Where do you get a mock VIN from? Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or you could just call a rental company and ask them for a mock VIN, and they should give it to you. If not, just call another rental company and ask them for a mock VIN, because you want to see how much insurance would be on a box truck. When looking for a mock VIN, just get like a 2010 to a 2015, so you can get that cheap down payment. Obviously, if you get something newer like a 2022, it's going to be more. But yeah, so that's how to get commercial insurance. So I told y'all how to save thousands. I told you how to get insurance, how to get commercial insurance. And I believe that's it. If I leave anything out, I'm gonna get right back to y'all. If you have any questions, just hit me up, boxtruckn@gmail.com, or hit me up on Instagram, boxtruckn, or drop a question below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Believe and achieve, and God bless.